Hello everyone, welcome to my tech space, your ultimate guide for all your tech related queries. In this video, we're going to be speaking on a step-by-step process on how to log out from TikTok. Now guys, just quickly before we dive into the process, please make sure that your internet connection is stable. So without further delay, let's get into this. Firstly, open your TikTok application on your phone. Then tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you're going to want to go ahead and here on the top right corner, you'll need to tap on this hamburger icon. You can then see settings and privacy options. Tap on it. There are many options you'll come across here. Now let's go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll come across two options here at the bottom, that is switch accounts and logout. If you don't want to log out but use another account, then you can click on switch accounts where we can log into multiple accounts. On the contrary, if you want to log out of the account from this device, then you can simply click on logout and get rid of this account. That's all there is to it guys. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. Leave a like if you found this to be helpful and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in the next one.